Hey, I'm Gavi coming at you from Israel, Brussels, and now in New York. And you're watching what I'm doing right now.
Today is a super pleasant day. Thinking maybe I can get out of work maybe just a bit early so that I can get a jog in before we have our weekly Cinema Studios meeting. That would be sweet. I got myself a sandwich at Herbert and Gerbert's. Megan says that I made a lot of weird sounds the day I shot the episode about book smells, and she edited them together into a beat. She sent it, but I need permission. Okay. Maybe it worked. Yes, download anyway. I'm dying, my body's breaking down. I got out of work early enough and got home early enough, that's really bright, that I have time for a jog. So I'm gonna do that now. It's kind of warm out here, it's 80 degrees. I might not get that far before my body is like, whoa dude, whoa. Well, this was probably a mistake. It is so hot, I'm gonna die. It was too hot for that. I should have waited until the sun went down. In other news, Ted Cruz just dropped out of the presidential race, so Trump is now the Republican nominee. So that's bad. Right, Kat? Right. Before everybody started voting in Indiana today, the polls had Sanders losing to Clinton by about 7%. This was according to the average from 538.com. As of right now, 7:07 p.m., Sanders is leading Clinton 53 to 47%. That's with 56% of the precincts reporting. This means that if this number is correct, that's like 13% wrong in the polls to start. Also, Todd is here. Hi, Todd.
Oh, hello.
I'm super tired, so I'm gonna go to sleep before midnight tonight. That's exciting. I've been catching up on some Fixer-Upper. This is the best reality show I've ever seen. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.